Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to your very own channel, Speak English with Fahad. Once again, this is me, Sabrina, here to guide you with the compulsory subject, General Science and Ability. Today in this tutorial, I have come up with a new initiative, which is by introducing an objective series, which is a compilation of multiple choice questions. This initiative is not a test. Do not consider it as a test. This is just an activity, a practice-based activity, just to enhance your concepts related to whatever we have studied earlier. Previously, we have covered 3 chapters of our first unit, which was physical constituents. Chapter number 1 was astronomy, and chapter number 2 was natural processes of Earth. Before starting the new one, do attempt this one just to understand, just to analyze on how much you have understood about the previous chapters. Let's begin. Number 1. The shape of the Earth is spherical, elliptical, oblate spheroid, prolate spheroid. You have to mention the number of the MCQ and the answer of it. पूरा पूरा लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, just number 1 लिख के ऑप्शन है ABC वो सिर्फ मेंशन कर दे. जो की है वो इंशाल्लाह फिर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से पहले पहले कमेंट सेक्शन में ही मैं पोस्ट कर दूंगी. Now let's continue. Number 2. The equatorial radius of Earth is. Number 3. The circumference of Earth is. Number 4. Earth completes one rotation on its axis in. Number 5. What is the shape of Earth's orbit? Number 6. Polar diameter of Earth is shorter than its equatorial diameter by. Number 7. Day and night are a result of. Number 8. Earth is elliptical because of its. Number 9. Most abundant element in Earth's atmosphere is. Number 10. Mass of the moon in comparison with Earth is. Number 11. Day and night are equal at the. Number 12. Equinox means. 13. Except for the sun and the moon, what appears brightest in the sky? Number 14. Heaviest mass revolving around the sun. Number 15. Biggest planet is. 16. Planet which revolves slowly. 17. Planet nearest to the sun. 18. Planet with the smallest diameter. 19. Which planet orbits backwards? Number 20. Uranus completes its revolution around the sun in. 21. Bodies which fall from the sky on the earth are. Number 22. Comets are luminous bodies moving around the. 23. Earth is the third planet from the sun and is located between. 24. The great circle is the. So here we go. ये थी हमारी सारी कलेक्शन 24 MCQs हैं. आई होप आप इसको ईजिली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. अगर आप इसमें से 20 या 22 भी सॉल्व करते हैं, इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको जो बाकी पुराने चैप्टर्स हैं आपको समझ आ गए हैं, आपके जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं वो क्लियर हैं. आई विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. दुआओं में याद रखें. फ़िलहाल के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.